Hi, my name is MélanieArsenault. I'm doing a Master's of Ecology at UCAT under the GREMA research group. My research is on the North American beavers, which are a type of natural disturbances in the boreal forest, just like fires and ice storms and wind throws. Lots is known about the beaver ecology, but not so much about the dynamic of the territorial occupation, which is what this research is about. By building dams and raising water levels, beaver have a big impact on their local environment, on the economy, and on certain impacts of climate change. And one of these impacts is the migration of deciduous forests, which is beaver's favorite food, to move or to migrate further up north. So if we have more food, we can expect an increase in beaver population, and with that, an increase in conflicts with human activities and human infrastructures like culverts and roads being flooded. So more specifically, we want to study the dynamic of territorial occupation, both on a space and on a time scale. And this research will be taking place in Western Quebec in the Abitibi-Témiscamingue region. We expect to be sampling about 40 lakes, and to do so, there's two phases to the research. So first, we'll be collecting tissues from dead carcasses collected from local trappers. And on these tissues, we'll be performing stable isotope and fatty acid analysis in order to define their diets and the health status of these individuals. The GPS coordinates of these animals will also be recorded, so we can go out in the field in the environment where those animals were collected from and characterize the forest ends and the lake characteristics. We'll be, with the help of transects, we'll be measuring the area of influence of the beavers around the lodge, and we'll also evaluate the quality of the resources using a novel dendroecological approach, which is to count the tree rings of the copuses present that are the results of beaver browsing. That should give us a date stamp as to when the animal was in the environment using those resources, and hopefully reveal a certain type of pattern of the lodge occupation in their territory. So by doing so, we expect an area of influence that would be a lot smaller in a mixed type of forest, because there's more resources for the beavers, and the territorial occupation that will increase in relation with the size of the lakes as well. So right now we're in the beginning stages of this research. I expect to do tissue analysis next winter and do field work next summer. We're hoping this research can contribute to a better understanding of the habitat selection by beavers in ways that can contribute to better management plans for our forests, for human activities, for natural disturbances in general, and also for just cohabitation with this incredible mammal. So that is all for now, and thank you everyone for listening.